Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Carol Master along with Tim Stanovic. Let's get to some stocks on the move on this Thursday. Bloomberg News cross-asset reporter Isabel Lee is in the house. Do we start with something that will make Matt Miller happy?
Okay.
He's listening.
Many things make him happy. Is it airline?
No, I was going to say
Lululemon.
No, but we'll get to it later.
Pot stock.
Pot stock. Sorry, Matt.
That's not even on the list.
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise.
Oh, it's a surprise. Okay,
Surprise.
cool.
Because we know President Trump signed an executive order changing the drug classification for cannabis.
To move cannabis into a less restrictive federal category. So
Sorry,
this
Matt.
sets in motion a regulatory shift that could alter the legal and the commercial landscape for drugs. Basically, he's instructing the Justice Department to begin steps needed to shift cannabis to a tier reserved for drugs with accepted medical uses. So I'm looking at Tilray and Canopy, Tilray TLRY and Canopy CGC, but both shares are edging lower by 1.3% and 3.5% respectively, which
Was priced in.
maybe that's a good explanation
Weren't they
too.
higher earlier,
look
though?
what happened earlier this week. Look what happened last
They were
week. How
higher
many
earlier.
days have these been gainers where I'm like, Carol,
Yes.
you got to do pot stocks?
Yeah, I mean,
this
it
is
was
gonna
up-
happen.
They slipped into negative territory.
Tilray was up 22% earlier today.
Yes, and now maybe it's priced in. It's down 3.18%.
Gonna have to cross that up off my gainers list. To be clear and fully transparent, Matt just likes to talk about it. And
Okay.
so I just don't want to,
Good, that's a good save. I like talking about it. Pot stocks. It's just fun
Who
to talk
doesn't like
about.
talking about them?
I like talking about chips.
Do you?
I like talking about chips.
Sounds like we go to Micron.
Micron. I love this rumble jumble. So Micron ticker is MU. The stock is up by just 11%, and that's after the chip maker gave an outlook that was 80% higher than estimates. I was here yesterday and we were talking about it, and the optimism is continuing. This is the highest in at least 8 months, and the stock is up by nearly 170% this year. So the CEO of Micron said it's positioned as an essential AI enabler. And again, we were talking about this, Carol. It's because of the intense demand and supply can't meet it. And it's good for Micron because then it puts them in a good spot.
Totally.
Okay, before we let you go, just give us 20 seconds on Lulu. Shares are surging today.
Shares are surging. I love Lululemon, the product, but the stock is up by 4%. We have news that activist investor Elliott Management has built a stake of $1 billion in the company. And this comes after the company has really been struggling to turn around their business after the exit of their CEO. Elliott for months has been working with Jane Nielsen. So she's the former CFO and COO at the Ralph Lauren. In fact, sources told Wall Street Journal that they want Jane Nielsen to potentially be the CEO.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.